Mooring equipment checks are crucial for ensuring safety and efficiency in any maritime operation. Think about it. Your vessel's ability to stay securely moored depends on the reliability of the equipment you use. Regular inspections can prevent accidents and costly damages. It's not just about keeping the boat in place, it's about protecting lives and preserving the integrity of your operations. Let's dive into winch inspection and lubrication. Winches are the unsung heroes of mooring. They handle the heavy lifting, but they can't do it alone. Regularly checking for wear and tear is essential. Look for any signs of rust or corrosion, and don't forget to lubricate moving parts. A well-maintained winch operates smoothly, reducing the risk of failure when you need it most. Remember, a little preventive maintenance goes a long way in extending the life of your equipment. Next up is mooring rope inspection and repair. Your mooring lines are the lifelines of your vessel. Inspect them for fraying, cuts, or any signs of wear. If you spot any damage, don't just ignore it. Repair or replace the rope immediately. A compromised line can snap under pressure, leading to dangerous situations. And when it comes to knots, ensure they're tied correctly. A poorly tied knot can mean the difference between a secure mooring and a disaster. Now, let's talk about bollards and deck safety. These sturdy fixtures are designed to handle immense loads, but they need to be in good condition. Inspect bollards for cracks or signs of structural failure. Ensure they're properly anchored to the deck. Safety on deck is paramount. Keep the area clear of obstacles and ensure that everyone is aware of their surroundings. A slip or trip can lead to serious injuries, so maintaining a clean and organized workspace is essential. In conclusion, regular checks and maintenance of your mooring equipment are not just best practices, they are vital for safety and operational efficiency. By prioritizing inspections and repairs, you're not only protecting your vessel, but also ensuring the safety of your crew. Take action today. Implement a routine maintenance schedule and make safety a top priority. Your vessel and your crew deserve it.